Welcome back, fellow ocean lovers, to Aqualab TV. Today, we will be diving deep into the fascinating relationship between corals and the symbiotic algae known as zooxanthellae. Whether it is coral in the ocean or in our aquariums, the secret to their survival lies in a partnership with a microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. For those who don't know, symbiosis refers to the close relationship between two organisms. The relationship may benefit both organisms, which we call mutualism, or benefit only one with no effect on the other, which is a commensal relationship, or benefit one while the other is harmed, which is parasitic. The partnership between corals and their resident zooxanthellae exemplifies a remarkable case of mutualism, where both parties reap significant benefits from their collaboration. But before we delve further into this fascinating dynamic, let's address a common misconception that still persists. Corals are, in fact, animals. Corals and algae share a common ancestry, residing within the same domain as fellow eukaryotes. However, beyond this shared origin, their phylogenetic paths diverge. Zooxanthellae are dinoflagellates and belong to the clade Diaphoreticus. This clade is noteworthy for encompassing most of the Earth's photosynthetic biomass. Each polyp on a coral is its own individual organism, and together they form a colony. Now, if you're anything like me, you may have wondered at some point, if corals are animals, why do we need to give them light? Corals themselves do not photosynthesize, but the zooxanthellae that resides within them do. In photosynthesis, as you may recall, carbon dioxide, water, and, of course, light are reacted to give glucose and oxygen. Glucose is a simple sugar that provides energy. In return for the energy and oxygen, the corals provide nitrogenous and phosphorus waste and carbon dioxide, a product of cellular respiration, which is the reverse of photosynthesis. Their relationship is not dissimilar from our relationship with plants and trees. We provide the plants with the carbon dioxide that we breathe out, and they provide us with the oxygen we breathe in. Additionally, corals provide the zooxanthellae with shelter. The calcium carbonate skeleton of corals, armed with stinging tentacles called nematocysts, provide a perfect spot for algae to thrive. This relationship bears immense significance for corals, as it's the conduit through which they acquire a substantial proportion, up to 90%, of their vital nutrients from zooxanthellae. Tragically, this delicate balance is susceptible to disruption, with dire consequences. The relationship is sensitive to changes in water chemistry, and when the zooxanthellae die, so does the coral it inhabits. This process is known as coral bleaching, a phenomenon that is regrettably becoming increasingly prevalent due to the escalating temperatures of our planet's oceans. A disastrous outcome of coral bleaching is the vibrant colors of coral reefs dimming, replaced by a stark and ghostly appearance. The hues of the underwater havens are not actually from the coral, but from the algae itself. When the algae dies, what remains is the stark and vivid white structure of the coral's skeleton, deprived of its once magnificent living tapestry. But it's not all gloom and doom. Us humans continue to make remarkable efforts in preserving the reefs by establishing marine protected areas, creating coral nurseries, and reducing greenhouse gases. In closing, let's appreciate nature's intricate relationships and remember, every ripple of knowledge we spread contributes to the conservation of our oceans. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoyed the video.